Hi guys, I'm Jeremy from Ted's Cameras. And today we're excited to unveil the Sony a7 Mark III, the latest release in Sony's mirrorless range. The camera is a massive upgrade on the a7 Mark II and provides exceptional image quality for an entry-level camera. While not as powerful as the a7 R Mark III, which we recently reviewed, it does benefit from some of the same technology and innovation. The a7 Mark III is a quality performer in both stills and video, featuring a 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated full-frame sensor. The camera comes with the dual card slots and larger battery, which are now standard throughout the Sony a7 series cameras, and can shoot at up to 10 frames per second continuously. The a7 Mark III shoots 4K video in S-Log2 and S-Log3 and provides Sony's trademark low-light performance. At full HD, the camera can shoot at up to 120 frames per second, which is very impressive. The autofocus system is terrific. Not nearly as fast as the A9, but with the same number of focus points. The IAF function is spectacular, and Sony's engineers are to be commended here. It's fun to play with, as well as being very reliable and very accurate. The ergonomics of the camera are terrific. It's compact yet feels substantial. The user interface is intuitive, and it's easy to dig down to the finer settings. The Sony a7 Mark III is a great addition to the Sony range, and we're looking forward to seeing some exceptional results with it.